When does something become good enough?
When you can check the box that says complete,
When no one can tell the difference in quality but you.
When you've run out the clock and it's time to go home.
The world is filled with people content to work this way.
who are satisfied with good enough.
but not LKQ.
And not our customers.
For us, the world's good enough isn't good enough.
We believe better is the reward for those who keep striving
Who leave no stone unturned.
Who put in the hours
to become the expert in the room.
We bring this passion for better to our work every day.
It touches all that we do and all that we are.
This passion sustains us and pushes us forward.
It inspires us to explore.
To lead and to deepen relationships.
and it's part of our DNA.
Since our founding, we've poured this passion into a better way to process and reuse parts, all with a strong desire to improve the world.
One part at a time.
But most importantly,
This passion is what transforms common solutions
Into solutions unlike any other.
Because solutions unlike any other don't come from people who settle for just good enough.
They come from people who know that better is just around the corner.
if only we have the passion and will to reach for it.